All right, so I got to the bottom of the problem already. Okay, now you get to the car. You put the key, have ignition there, and car starts right up. So yeah, guys, so I got to the bottom of the problem, and most likely if the car won't turn the starter. So here's the problem. All right, internally at the ignition switch right here, there's this like a little rod to move internally in the key, and then it'll turn your accessories, ignition, and then crank. So I think it's like a common problem. This step right here gets it breaks, and then it won't turn. All right, and then the car won't start. So there it is, guys. If you have the same problem that you have a Chrysler 300 and it won't crank, you possibly have this broken internally at the ignition switch barrel. Most likely you got to do a little troubleshooting before, but you're gonna feel that the key is not turning back. If your key is not turning back after you press the crank switch, I mean when you do the cranking, this guy might be the suspect. All right, so we had success. Now we're gonna call a customer to get the car, and everything came out good, thanks to the Lord. All right, thanks for watching my videos. God bless you. Stay tuned. So yeah, guys, a Chrysler 300 2007. Most of these cars on this version is the one that has this type of key right here. All right, you still have this blade here. Now the newer version, the one that has like a plastic little tip on top, in the car this fix won't apply, because the other one does it electromagnetically, with radio frequency, and this you still to do a mechanical movement to send the signal. All right, so in this Chrysler right here, you gotta remove the ignition barrel key. All right, and the and like I showed you before, the problem tranquilo, papi. So yeah, that tip right here is broke, you see? So that's why it won't turn. You start output. So that's gonna be a fix. Change the rod, and your car will start. Alright, just do it. Right, Chrysler 300 2007. There's rod, brakes. So that's a problem. That's why your car won't start. If you have this type of key, that might be your issue. That's why your car is not starting. So you do either replace the whole thing or just buy this right?